So specifically in terms of like spiritual knowledge, boiled down for the youth, what did you gain from those monks in say your first month in the monastery? What did you realize that, oh, okay, this is how perspectives can be? Wait, let me destroy my own perspective.
I've been a pampered boy, you know. When I come here to the ashram, to the monastery, and initially my mind was like rebelling. And then I realized, what did I come here for? Did I join the monastery or the ashram for luxurious, fine, palatable food? Or did I come here for a purpose which is much larger than these little things around my life? And then the more I started tuning into my sense of purpose, something way higher than these little things around, I realized that those things weren't bothering me that much. You know, not to say that they didn't bother me at all. That would be haughty to say that it didn't bother me at all. But they didn't bother me as much because now my attention was on something that I came in here for. So I always tell people, especially the youth, don't allow your minds to be distracted from what your purpose is, what your goal is. All what you go through, as in the ups and downs you experience, is only an outcome of taking your eyes off your goal. You know, so the lack of facility shouldn't depress us, and the presence of luxury and facility shouldn't distract us. So then there was lack of facility. Today there is abundance of facility in our monastery and in our ashram. We live in South Mumbai, downtown, right? We're surrounded by luxury all over the place, you know. So then back in the day there was nothing, and today there's so much. But because the attention is on the purpose, at that time I learned from my training and from my experience there that I could actually take a lot in my stride because I kept shifting my attention to what I was meant to do.
Which was what?
Which was A, to deepen my own spiritual calling, and B, was to see how to strategize to share that spiritual experience with the world. You know? So kept bringing my attention constantly to that. So if you want to decode my learning from the monastic order, my spiritual path, particularly for the youth, say, keep your attention and focus constantly on what you're meant to do in life, which basically means there's a need to discover what you want to do in life. If you haven't discovered, the smallest trivia can disturb you. And if you've discovered and you're focused on that, the largest setbacks can be handled and you can take it in your stride and move on. Does that make sense?